Okay, I'm not sure that this is the best way to present the material, but um, we'll try. I'm looking at this spreadsheet, New Names 2001 to 2007, that you can get from TreeNet, and I have filtered the operating units to be just looking at the United States. Okay, so what we're looking at here is the number of weeks between conversion and first purchase. So the first thing that we see is that about 78% of the converted names do not ever convert to purchase. Okay, so that's interesting. That says that about 22% of the names that convert do purchase. We are not in this analysis considering the amount of names we had to mail to cause those 522,000 conversions, but we know that after names convert, roughly 22% of them purchase. Okay, so let's first of all just get rid of the non-purchasers. Okay, so of the names that purchase, we see that about 65% of them convert within 7 days of their first history. That's not necessarily to say that their first history was a purchase, but it might have been. So, okay, that's an interesting class of humans, and we can talk about what that means. Okay, so the individuals that convert within the first week are interesting. I mean, some of them are ENPCs, some of them are not ENPCs, some of them are inquiries that convert within a relatively short time, and possibly some of that is an artifact of how Bark processes enrollments. But let's put them aside for a moment and let's consider the class of individuals that convert but do not purchase within the first week of conversion. And in this case, I think that this curve is in pretty much agreement with what Ed had done previously. One of the things that you can do in this spreadsheet is now look at this on an operating unit by operating unit basis. So the United States shows that at 100 weeks after conversion, we have approximately 75% of the individuals who will ultimately purchase have purchased. And in that respect, Canada is pretty similar to the United States, and possibly predictably, France at 100 weeks is 80%. Sweden is 78%, and the UK is 80%. So in that respect, at least, there is some difference between Europe and North America. Okay, in this next analysis, I'm going to look at average number of, number of orders per individual. Okay, so in this pivot table, we're looking at individuals who did purchase something and what their first origin was, and how many of those went on to purchase once, twice, three times, etc. So 74% of people who purchase one time. 17% purchase twice, 5% purchase three times, etc. So you can see kind of from this series that most people who buy something from us only buy one time. Okay, in this final analysis, um, I've looked at the number of individuals uh, that are captured and what the origin code was. So 10 and 6, so 17% of names that we capture have as their first origin something that we would consider to be a purchase. I mean, maybe we should include TRs. Okay, so 17 to 25% of individuals who come to us and we get their name for the first time are in one of these categories. And you know, that's interesting. So here's where this kind of 1/3, 2/3 number from that we've used in past analyses has come from, having to do with the you know, ultimate conversion of a vendor through capture to customer.